Welcome back to the channel. I'm the host, John Shaft. This is my C7 Corvette channel. I'm getting ready to today's service day. I need to take the vet to the dealership and get an oil change. And one thing about these cars, when it's time to get your vet service, she will let you know. As you can see, that 29% there on the dash, and that 29% let you know that she need service. When you're at full percentage, it goes up to 100, and usually when you get around 29, 30%, that means you about ready for an oil change. And you get your oil change every 5,000 miles. So that's one of the another benefits, option that comes with this car. She lets you know when she need to be serviced. So let's go ahead and travel on down to Hendrick Chevrolet dealership. That's where I used to get my vehicle service here in Birmingham. Actually, it's in Hoover, Alabama. So let's go ahead and travel down there, and I make add on another additional video once I get there. I know you guys don't want to go on a long boring ride with me. So I just hit you guys back up once I get to the dealership. Just another quick reminder of some of the options that you need on the C8. Okay, I'm coming out of my driveway here, and as you can see that dip there. See that dip? So I had to go in kind of calicorner. Just keep from scrubbing my bottom. As long as I go in calicorner, she doesn't scrub. Yeah, that's one of the good things about getting the C8 and getting the lift option on your C8. That right there is worth its weight in gold, and getting it. Make sure you're having that option on your vehicle. See, here's another dip. See, this is C7. I didn't have that option of having a lift on the front end of my car. Like I say, that alone is worth you getting a lift if you getting a new C8 Corvette. Well, I finally arrived at the dealership. This is the Hendrick Chevrolet dealership in Hoover, Alabama. Used to be a time when you won't come to this dealership, you'll have you see a whole row of Corvettes. But since this new generation come out, the C8, you don't have that options just yet having having any Corvettes available on the dealership lot. Let's go get it serviced. Morning.
How you doing, sir?
All right, how about yourself?
Good. What you got going on?
Need to get our oil change.
Oil change. 104 888.
Well, I'm still here at the dealership here at Hendrick and Hoover, and I happen to find one used Corvette. You're in the market for a Stingray C7 model. This is a 2016 base model Stingray with 21,341 miles, and it's an automatic. So if you're in the market for one of these used vehicles, there's still some that's available. This looks like this might be a no, it's a L2 package. Yeah, it's an L2 package. So if you're looking for a used Corvette 2016 model, it's one here at Hendrick Chevrolet and Hoover, Alabama. Yeah, it wasn't too bad. About a couple hours. Total bill was about $184.02, and I had to do an oil change in the front end alignment. And this is what when the vehicle oil change is complete, you see 100%. And so you got 100%. Your vehicle lets you know that your oil change is completed. And that oil change is the intervals between the oil changes like 5,000 miles for the C7, and for the C8, I think the C8 is like 7,000 or either 7,500, something like that. But for this particular oil change and front end alignment, was 184. So that's pretty good, decent price. I know some vehicles that you can have in this category, in this type of vehicle. It costs a whole lot more. About the vehicle, sometimes when you take your vehicle in to get service, the only thing I don't like about it is people adjust your seats, people adjust your steering wheel, and for me, if you're going to do a service on my vehicle, you really shouldn't be adjusting anything. So I hate that. Then I had to kind of figure out what, why my vehicle feels a little bit different, because the seat has been adjusted, the steering wheel been adjusted in some kind of way or another. That's about the only complaint I have with that. And my thing is if it's not your vehicle, then you shouldn't be adjusting anything. But it is what it is, I guess. We're gonna go on down here right quick and get a quick car wash. Car wash is, like I said before, man, I'm a member of the car wash club. It costs me about $40 a month. So I pay even when it's raining or bad weather. I pay. So that's why I just go ahead and get it washed when I'm in this area. normally, if I had to just do a oil change, it just cost me about $89, $89, which is not bad, like I said, for a vehicle in this class. If you had a Lamborghini, a McLaren, your oil change could be as much as $800. So a Corvette is very affordable. In some instances, it can get rather pricey. Just depends on what you need to have done. Like I had about 6-7 months ago, I had to put a sensor on it. And that sensor was $700. But it all just depends on what you have to do with it. With this oil change, I should be able to get a little bit better fuel mileage also. The horsepower on this particular vehicle is about 460 horsepower. Like I said before, it's a 7-speed manual transmission. And she has 5 different driving modes, including challenging mode. And you can reach challenging mode by going to track mode. And she also has what you call weather mode. If the weather's bad. So you definitely want to put your vehicle in weather mode. If it's raining outside or pretty bad weather, you definitely want to go into weather mode. And you keep your computer engaged. Cause this car can become very unforgiving if you don't know what you're doing. So you have that computer to help you drive and maintain control of the vehicle. And so since I have a monthly service, when I'm in this area, which is probably basically every day, every other day, whether it's raining or not, if I notice them that they're open, I will come here and get my car washed. Get my car washed. We're expecting some bad weather in this area tonight. So I don't know if I'll be able to work tonight or not. We got a hurricane that's supposed to be coming in from the coast. From where I'm at, that's about 4 hours south of me, I'm in Birmingham, Alabama. Everybody always asks me, how your car get to be so clean all the time and be shining like that? And well, this is my secret. I get my car washed every day. Yeah, one thing you can't do, you can't be a YouTube. Have YouTube all over your car. And your car had to be a Corvette. You riding around with your car dirty. Well, that's a no-no. It would start raining the time I do this. It's just my luck. I know it's gonna I know it was gonna start raining. I would have probably when I had to wash, but yeah, it is what it is. This is John Chef. This is my C7 Corvette channel. I ask you hit the like button, share button, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget the notification button so you know when I'm going to upload. And I thank you for tuning in to my channel. And I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.